Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Shang. In today's video, we will be making strawberries and cream. You will need 500 grams of fresh strawberries. We will put these strawberries into a food processor, but before we do that, let's cut it into smaller pieces so it will be easier. Now that they have been cut up into smaller pieces, you can transfer them and put them into a food processor. You want them to be in smaller pieces, but not until they are super fine. Now we are completely done with the strawberries. We will need 150 grams of sugar. Now let's start making our strawberry jam for this recipe. Pour in all the strawberries along with all the sugar, and make sure your stove is on medium. Use a whisk to work the sugar into the strawberries, and make sure you continue to cook it on medium heat. Continue to cook on medium heat until it boils, then reduce your heat to simmer. After you reduce the heat to simmer, take a spoon and start scooping out the foam or the gunk on top. Let it simmer until it becomes a thick consistency. As you can see, the consistency has become really thick, and this is the right consistency you need to look for. So just give it a few more minutes and it should be good. It has been removed from the heat, and you can wait until it cools completely, or you can start putting it into a mason jar and just let it store in the fridge overnight. Now let's get started with the strawberries and cream part. Here I have some strawberries that I made the night before for today's video, and here are some Swiss buttercream that I made earlier today as well. If you don't have a video for Swiss buttercream, I do already have one up on my channel. I will leave the link down below just in case if you don't have a recipe for it. I have 6 cups of Swiss buttercream here, and you will be needing about 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Put in all the Swiss buttercream into the stand mixer and start whipping on 4. Continue whipping your buttercream until it comes back to a smooth consistency, and when it does, you can start adding in the strawberry jam little by little. And add in your vanilla extract. After vanilla extract and strawberry jam has been added, continue beating your mixture on level 4. slowly add in the remaining of strawberry jam. Continue whipping until the buttercream, strawberry jam, and vanilla extract has been fully combined and until it becomes a thick, smooth, silky consistency. And now we're done with our strawberries and cream filling. This is the consistency that you need to look for. And now that you're done, you can transfer it and put it into a piping bag if you're gonna start filling your shells right away, or you can always freeze it. If you decide to freeze your filling, just make sure you take it out to room temperature and make sure you whip it again to bring it to its smooth and silky consistency before using. For me, I always make it just enough for each use only. So here it is, it's already in the piping bag, and I'm going to start filling in my shells with this filling. Here are my shells that I have made a few days ago, and I'm going to start filling these shells. There's no right or wrong way how you fill them in. It's all on you, it's all on your preference. Again, once you're done filling in your shells and you're done assembling your shells, don't forget to put them in an airtight container. Leave it in the fridge for 24 hours to mature. And yes, this is called the maturing process. And this is it for my strawberries and cream filling recipe. It is super easy to follow, and if you have any questions, you can leave your questions down below in the comment section. I will take a look at it and get back to you. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.